Imagine a machine so intelligent that it could outthink any human on the planet, solve problems we've been struggling with for centuries, and even rewrite its own code to become smarter and smarter over time. Sounds like science fiction, right? Here's the twist. It's not. In 2017, a program called AlphaZero taught itself chess, shogi, and Go in just 24 hours, defeating the best human and computer players in the world. It wasn't programmed to win, it taught itself how to win. This is the power and the danger of artificial intelligence, AI. Today, AI is no longer just a tool for tech enthusiasts or scientists. It's in your phone, helping you navigate the fastest route home. It's on your streaming platform suggesting the next binge-worthy show. It's even assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases. But the question we must ask ourselves is this: how far should we allow AI to influence our lives? The rise of AI has sparked one of the most polarizing debates of our time. On one side, there are those who see AI as a beacon of progress, capable of solving some of humanity's biggest challenges: climate change, poverty, and disease. On the other, critics warn of the risks of relinquishing control to machines that could surpass human intelligence and act in ways we can't predict or control. As we dive into this topic, we'll explore the ethical dilemmas AI presents, examine the risks of superintelligence, and discuss how we can ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. Stick around, because this conversation isn't just about technology, it's about the future of humanity itself. Now that we've set the stage, let's dive into the heart of the debate: the conflicting perspectives on AI and its impact on our lives. Advocates for AI believe it has the potential to be humanity's greatest ally. They argue that AI can revolutionize industries, making them more efficient and innovative. For example, in medicine, AI algorithms like those used by IBM's Watson Health are already identifying cancer patterns in scans faster than doctors. Proponents argue that AI could democratize healthcare, making advanced diagnostics accessible even in remote areas. In the realm of environmental science, AI-powered systems are optimizing energy usage in cities, reducing waste, and even predicting natural disasters before they happen. For instance, AI models have been instrumental in tracking climate patterns and suggesting interventions that could curb global warming. Economically, AI could automate repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and fulfilling work. Imagine a world where no one is stuck in a monotonous job, where AI handles the drudgery, and people have the freedom to innovate. But not everyone is on board with this optimistic vision. Critics warn that the rapid development of AI comes with significant risks. A key concern is the loss of jobs. While AI might create new opportunities, it's also likely to render many jobs obsolete. Truck drivers, factory workers, and even white-collar professionals could find themselves replaced by machines. Then there's the issue of bias. AI systems are only as good as the data they're trained on. If that data contains biases, whether racial, gender-based, or economic, the AI will perpetuate those biases. For instance, facial recognition technology has been criticized for misidentifying people of color at disproportionately high rates, leading to wrongful arrests and other injustices. The most alarming concern, however, is the potential for AI to surpass human intelligence, what experts call artificial general intelligence, AGI, or superintelligence. Imagine a machine that not only understands the world, but can also redesign itself to be smarter, faster, and more capable. Critics argue that such a machine could pose an existential threat to humanity. What happens if its goals don't align with ours? These debates aren't just theoretical, they've played out in the real world, often with dramatic consequences. For example, Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg had a very public disagreement about AI. Musk has warned that AI could become humanity's biggest existential threat, advocating for strict regulations. Zuckerberg, on the other hand, has dismissed such concerns as fear-mongering, arguing that AI will bring about unprecedented benefits. In another case, the use of AI in social media platforms has come under fire. Algorithms designed to maximize engagement have been blamed for spreading misinformation and deepening political divides. Facebook's role in the 2016 US presidential election is a stark example of this issue. As we look to the future, the ethical challenges surrounding AI become even more pressing. How do we ensure that AI benefits everyone, not just a privileged few? How do we prevent it from being weaponized or misused? One potential solution is greater transparency. Companies developing AI technologies must be open about how their algorithms work and what data they're using. Governments and international bodies could enforce regulations requiring AI systems to meet ethical standards. For instance, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, includes provisions for algorithmic transparency, a step in the right direction. Here's a startling fact. According to a study by PwC, AI could contribute up to $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. While that's a huge economic boost, it also raises questions about inequality. Who will control this wealth? Will it be concentrated in the hands of a few tech giants, or will it be distributed equitably? Another projection comes from the McKinsey Global Institute, which estimates that up to 375 million workers worldwide could need to switch jobs by 2030 due to automation. That's roughly 14% of the global workforce. This statistic underscores the urgent need for reskilling programs and policies to support displaced workers. As individuals, we also have a role to play. We must stay informed about the technologies shaping our world and hold companies and governments accountable. Ask questions. How is your data being used? Who benefits from the AI systems you interact with? But more importantly, we need to foster a global conversation about the kind of future we want to build. Do we want a world where AI serves as a tool for empowerment and progress? Or one where it becomes a force of division and inequality? The debate over AI and ethics isn't just about technology, it's about us, our values, and our vision for the future. As we stand at this crossroads, one thing is clear. The choices we make today will shape the world for generations to come. So, what's your take? Should we embrace AI wholeheartedly with all its risks and rewards? Or should we proceed with caution, placing strict limits on its development and use? Let us know in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.